Hello guys, I am Mohan Shashank from Top Content Consulting, and in this video we will learn about the importance of brand personality to achieve success marketing in 2021. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. You may already be familiar with the brand personality as a means of marketing, and if you aren't, you are in the right place. You can use all the marketing strategies under the sun, but it can be hard to form a genuine connection with the consumers if you don't have a personality. Having a brand personality will invite your audience to engage more with your brand, and it will leave a lasting impression in people's memories. Now, what is brand personality? Just like the personality a person can take on, brand personality is the characteristics displayed by a brand. A brand can take on emotional, intellectual, and behavioral patterns to humanize itself in a way that feels relatable to the consumers. Using a brand personality can help create a personalized and relatable experience that makes marketing feel less like marketing and more like casual interaction. Social media, commercial advertising, blogging, printed advertising are all the potential ways a brand can develop its personality. Establishing a specific tone of voice, methodical visuals, and ethical company policies can personify your brand. If all this is done with consistency and authenticity, then developing a brand personality will positively affect the consumers. Now, why should I develop brand personality? It's not uncommon to see brands using Twitter to display personality and engage with audiences directly. Some people refer to this as Wendy's effect, about the fast food giant Wendy using a snarky and sarcastic brand personality on Twitter to gain millions of followers. People appear to feel more drawn to brands that behave in this way. One study found that 57.5% customers say they are more likely to buy from a company that has a strong personality. When adding a personality to your brand, it adds an impression of reliability and trustworthiness. This creates a stronger and more sustainable bond with consumers. Nowadays, consumers prefer to interact with brands that align with their beliefs and values. Although the brand's beliefs and values don't often play a role in quality of services or goods they provide. A study found that 71% of consumers prefer to buy from a company that aligns with their beliefs and values. That is a significant amount of people. If your brand doesn't involve personality into the marketing already, then you could potentially be missing out organic engagement with your target audiences. Having a genuine and consistent brand personality can help differentiate your brand from competition. If you want to stand apart, it is essential to appeal to your target audiences memorably. Adding a personality to your brand is critical to engage with your audience in a way that's both personable and compelling. Now, how can we develop brand personality? When developing brand personality, it is essential to pay attention to the voice and visuals you use in all advertising, social media, and blogs. To figure out what voice you want to embody, you need to understand your target audiences. If engaging in B2B marketing, you would use an air of professionalism to the voice you use. If you are marketing towards more a general population, then using a casual or friendly voice will help the experience more personable. The concept of brand personality was first defined and analyzed by the marketing expert Jennifer Acker in 1997, and she pinpointed 5 distinct dimensions of brand personality. They are sincerity, excitement, competence, sophistication, and ruggedness. Sincerity traits include genuine, honest, wholesome, warm. Excitement traits include intriguing, daring, adventurous, and bold. Competence traits include straightforwardness, intelligent, successful, and reliable. Sophistication traits include high class, charming, stylish, and refined. And ruggedness traits include outdoorsy, tough, resilient, sturdy. Each of these dimensions encompasses its series of personality traits and behaviors, and most brands seem to fall under one or two of these categories. By understanding your brand's target audience, you can figure out which of these dimensions your brand classifies as. Find the adjective you want to describe your brand, then use the voice and visuals of your brand to embody those adjectives. It will take some creativity, but if you are authentic and consistent in incorporating your personality into the marketing, then you will develop a deeper connection with your audiences successfully. 3 ways to connect with audiences in 2021 using brand personality. First one, TikTok. As of 2021, TikTok has over 1 billion users. This means your brand has a chance of attaining massive audience. Every day, brands are using TikTok to reach new consumers. And if you aren't using this platform yet, you are missing out. Audiences are loving bite-sized bits of information these days, and TikTok fits that demand. It can take some time to getting users to grab the audience attention in first few seconds. Once you understand how to appeal your target audiences, you will have the chance of reaching higher audiences while revealing your personality. Second, Twitter. For several years now, brands have been taking to Twitter to share their thoughts and updates with the world. The 280 character tweets may be small, but they have the opportunity to be packed with personality. As I mentioned earlier, the fast food giant Wendy uses this platform to connect with audiences globally. Using casual brands such as fast food restaurants, using comedy is a way to make your brand come off as relatable and amicable. Twitter can facilitate your brand personality expression by allowing you to market directly to your target audiences who are on this platform. When doing this, it's vital to incorporate a voice that aligns with the personality you seek to associate with. Third, Instagram. With over 1 billion active users every single month, Instagram is another valuable platform for brands to articulate their brand personality. This platform offers you to share photos, videos, reels, and live streams. Using these avenues with your marketing strategy can help you humanize your brand in a memorable way to your audience. If you can manage to incorporate your values and messages into the visuals you share on Instagram, then you will have a higher chance of leaving a lasting impression on consumers. Using these strategies can help you develop and strengthen a brand personality that resonates with your target audiences. It's vital to understand the importance of brand personality if you want to achieve successful marketing in 2021. Developing a consistent and compelling personality will allow your business to thrive while having a meaningful engagement with your consumers. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, click on thumbs up button and subscribe our channel for more such videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.